Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to reset your password on the Happn app. Whether you have forgotten your password or just need to update it, we'll walk you through the steps. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the Happn app if you haven't already. Once you have downloaded the Happn app, find the app on your phone and open it. So this is the login page of the Happn dating app. Here you can see the connection problem option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Now enter the email address associated with your Happn account. Make sure it's the same email you used for signing up. Now tap on continue. Happn will send you an email with a link to reset your password. As you can see, I've received the email from Happn app. Tap on the email. Here the link to connect to your account is provided. You can see the sign into this account button. Tap on it to recover your account. And that's it. If you want to reset or forgot your password, you can use this method to connect and get access to your account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.